Double kill.
God damn.
Yes, thank you. You fucking killed that dude. That's the dude that fucking been bullying me all game.
Yeah, they're assholes. And there's that one dude with the Banshee that comes in and tries to hijack our Banshee. I'm on his fucking ass all the time. Because I always have Sniper, right? Sniper does heavy damage against Banshee. Takes 4 shots to kill.
Tied the
3
leader.
shots. I just fuck his shit.
Gain the lead. Double kill.
I took out their Scorpion.
Killing spree.
Because I
Double kill.
was smart enough to grab rockets.